Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at my most recent pickups, and as you can probably tell, a lot of them have been dunks. So before we get into this video, I'd like to give a big shout out to Legitmark, who are today's sponsor. Legitmark is the standard for sneaker authentication, and it's the safest place to get your sneakers authenticated. So there'll be a link in the description if you want to check them out. So we're just going to be going through some of my recent pickups. You can probably tell by the boxes, especially the one down below here, what I have picked up. But we'll just go through and I'll give you my personal opinion on each of these pickups and whether I think it was worth it or not. So we're going to start on this side. As you can tell, the boxes are all the same, so I have no idea which one is which. So this one is my most recent of all the pickups. I got these exclusive early access on Nike, and it's the Dunk Low UNCs, I believe they're called. Really like these. This is an amazing colorway. This will look so good in summer, just absolutely perfect. I'm not too sure what the difference between this and the Coast pair is. I think that's what they're called. There's so many dunks now that I'm losing track of what they're called. But yeah, really happy with this pickup. We'll give you some detailed shots of these and you can check them out. Let me know down below if you copped any of the pairs that I have today, but this is my most recent one. Really happy with it. Got it for retail, so even better. Next shoe that I managed to pick up was the Orange Pearls. Don't know why they're called the Orange Pearls. They're pretty much just light pink. Really a big fan of these as well. And I do actually have a fake of these pretty much down there. So I will be doing a comparison very soon so we can see the difference between a retail and fake pair of these. Once again, absolutely amazing summer colorway. Probably better for girls, mainly just because of the color, but I got them for myself because I actually like the color as well. So, but really good in small sizes as well. I think they only got to a size 9.5 because it is actually a woman's colorway. However, I am a UK 9, so it fits me well. I actually purchased these off StockX and I paid resale, and I paid quite a lot for them. So, a little disappointed with that. I don't know if the price has gone up or down, but oh well, it's a shoe to have in the collection, and I still haven't worn it yet. The next shoe that I managed to pick up is the Dunk Low Easter colorway, and I actually got these for retail again. As you can tell by the tape that's taped across the box, these were purchased from size. No idea why they taped the box, it's actually really annoying. But this is another really nice colorway. I think this is a size UK 5, so pretty much a girl size. Really good color for summer again. Pretty much all the dunks are amazing for summer. Just a really clean colorway, and picked it up for retail, so pretty happy with that. Probably will sell it at some point though. And I think this is the better version than the one which had the black leather underneath. I think the white leather with the colors just looks absolutely amazing. Now we're going to move on to the right side. This is, oh, this is a good one. So this is the women's Dunk Lemon. This color is probably one of my favorite pickups of recent times. I really do like the small embroidered patch on the side. I think if they did that on more dunks, it would just be a really good touch to add. But yeah, really clean colorway, and once again I managed to pick these ones up for retail. I've been extremely lucky recently. I have had quite a few entries in, but there we go, managed to get a retail pair, and I'm not sure if the resale price is very high. Is quite a difficult color to wear because it's just that kind of off yellow vibe, and then the swoosh is that kind of mustardy yellow color to it. But once again, the details on this and even the quality of the leather on this is very good. When looking at the toe box, the leather is very smooth indeed, and I kind of wish I'd got these in my size. These ones are a UK 5.5, but I will probably be picking up my size at some point. And now we move on to the last dunk that I've picked up, and this one was directly from Hanon, and I got these for retail as well. Won these in the raffle, and it is the Nike Dunk Giraffe or Cheetah. They keep changing the name. It was Cheetah on sneakers, but then everywhere else I saw it was called Giraffe. And this one is nice. It looked better in the photos in my opinion. In person, it's a little bit weird and difficult to wear. It's kind of like a green yellowy tint to the leather on the upper. I would have preferred if that was more creamy, and then the actual tanned suede on the outside I actually think is very nice indeed. And then with that touch of brown going around the sock liner is very nice, and the brown swoosh adds to that as well. So the colours could have been better. Just I think that leather and the lace could have been a more cream. Then I think it would have been a definite wear for me. Just with that kind of off looks kind of moldy to me, but that's the only reason it's putting me off wearing these, because I actually do think these are a really nice shoe, but that's the only thing that's putting me off. So let me know if you cop these or any of the dunks that you've seen before. Would you pay resale for these? I don't know. I'm pretty glad I got them for retail. Don't think I'll be paying resale for them. And the final, most recent pickup, we can all tell by the box what this is, and that is the Travis Scott Jordan 6. Here we go. And yes, I managed to pick these up for retail as well. I have been extremely lucky over the last few weeks. I picked these up from Foot Patrol. I got them in the raffle, just got selected quite late, so I did actually think I'd lost these, but Foot Patrol came through. So I didn't have to pay resale on these, and I probably will have a fake coming through very soon to do a comparison, because the details on this are absolutely crazy. Has that glow in the dark sole, has the 2 spare laces with that solar red kind of colour, which matches the details on the back and sides of the shoe. But this is a crazy, crazy shoe. Not really my style, don't really wear Jordan 6 too often. It's just a bit chunky at the heel for me, but it's a really nice colour. I do like my neutral khaki and like beige kind of tones, so this one is a very nice one, and to be fair, I prefer this to the green one that he did release before. But these have been my most recent pickups. Let me know down below, out of all the pickups that I've just made, which one would you be picking? Did you get lucky? Did you beat my pickups for the month? Let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.